वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली सावूद आनी भलायकीन. So today I'm going to show you all, which is very easy and quick, our mango shake. But we will say Goan mango shake because it is from Goan mangoes Mankurad. Yes, it is Mankurad, and this is the season in Goa of Mankurad. So first thing we will make mango shake. So just we need the pulp of this, and this is our mixer also ready. Here goes the pulp, little bit of ice. And 1 cup of milk in this, and we are doing it without sugar. So if you want sugar, you can add accordingly, like around 4 tablespoons of sugar for 1 cup of milk.
And here it is, lovely Goan Mankurad mango shake, sugar free. Thank you.